Hey guys, it's your girl Chef J, and I am here to show you how to take frozen pizza and make it a gourmet dish. It's true, we get lazy sometimes, but the chef in me just always wants to take something to the next level. So if you continue watching, I'm gonna show you how to finesse frozen pizza. Alright you guys, I have some shrimp, some garlic butter, some pesto. I chose to use shrimp because I love seafood, but you can use any protein that you like. I did put some Cajun seasoning, some pepper, and some garlic powder on my shrimp. And so now I'm going to be placing the pesto all over the pizza. Pesto is really going to brighten this pizza up and really make it taste restaurant worthy. And then we have our homemade garlic butter, which I melted down the garlic and added some parsley and some garlic paste. And I'm just going to focus on the edges of the pizza. I will sprinkle some on top of all the pizza, but my focus was the edge just to add flavor and everything.